Hi everybody, this is Master B again. So before you install the machine and after you get the machine, and first you must check the package, where the package is packing where. And after you open the package, you will find some spare parts that for the machine's installation using, and also some spare parts is for backup. So you need to check one by one to be sure all the spare parts are on the list. Okay, so once you get the machine, you will get the package of the spare parts from Focus. So now let me introduce the spare parts for each for you. All the spare parts we put in a carton package like this. First, you will get the original Rico print head. The quantity is according to invoice. 3 print head. Original Rico print head for each. Then if you got 3 different sides of the screw. First is M3 times 8 screw to install the print head for adjust the print head. So remember, M3 times 8 is for install on the print head, for adjust the print head. Later we introduce you, we'll teach you how to install the print head, install the screw. And this one is M3 times 10 size. And this one is to install the print head adapter board. And this is M3 times 8 is for install the print head to lock the print head. So there are totally 3 different size print head screw to install the print head at a print head adapter board. So this is the print head and the print head screw you can get. And then you will also get the ink filters. Inside have the high resolution 10mm precision field to help you to load the ink to the ink tank easier. And one color for one separate to load the ink. Totally is 8. And here you can also get other spare parts. First is the carriage protection cap. It's a cap. Inside have magnet to protect the carriage later, to prevent the print head will not affect by the UV lamp once you not use the machine. And then, therefore, brand new injection to help you to do some cleaning job for the print head. And also, there are totally 6 injection that each one was installed the tuber and connector already to help you to change the ink or print or clean the print head for each channel. And also the wiper, the steel wiper, metal wiper to help you to clean the waste ink on the printhead surface. There are totally 2 wiper tools. And this is the air tuber for backup. And some ink tuber for backup. And there are some the metal tuber clips to install the tuber or ink tuber and air tuber. If the air tuber or ink tuber get loosened, so you can use the clip to fasten it. It's for backup. And also some connectors. The block connector and female connector, male connector, and one-way connector, and 3-way connector, and the end blocker. And this is the sub-ink tank wrench to help you to close or open the ink tank. And the ink filter to install on the ink tuber to get the ink more cleaning. And 3 different sizes of the screwdriver. This is 1-word short screwdriver. And close short screwdriver. This one is for adjust the negative pressure, the switch. And this one is for install the print head. And also one long distance close screwdriver. This one is for install the print head adapter board. So the screwdriver, filter, wrench, some connectors, some backup tuber, some cleaning injection, and wiper, injection, and carriage cap, and tube clip. So this spare parts you will get from Focus to help you do the installation job. Okay, one more. Here also some spare parts for do the cleaning, for do the installation you will get from Focus. First is the varnish print head protection film. Because sometimes if you print on the bottle, the varnish will easily cooled by the hijack gap of the machine table. So this is for protect the varnish print head. And RIP software you will get from Focus. Inside RIP, you need to check. Here is with the one dongle, the blue dongle. The RIP software is according to your invoice. Because our machine, the Focus Atlas machine, will support different kind of RIP software, like a print factory, reprint, Fox Rip. So the RIP software is according to your invoice delivery. And the clean fabric to clean the print head is tissue fabric. And some UV ink pump for backup. A print head cable for backup. Ink film. And ink sensor. Ink film with ink sensor is one suit. And the y-axis limit sensor and X-cone limit sensor. And the head detect limit sensor. The magnet for head detect system, the magnet value. And the magnet for the table position, margin position system for backup. And the USB flash go with machine delivery. Inside will contain some control system, RIP software, troubleshooting file, and the tutorial installation video, and also some test print file. So all the information we put on the flash, so you can check once you get it. So this is all the spare parts you will get from Focus once you got the machine. After that, you may also get the ink from Focus. We strongly recommended you to use the ink that's supplied with Focus company, because different ink will have different performance, such as the color and also the resolution. The ink, if you take from Focus, all are tested before delivery to be sure the best print color rapid and resolution. Because each ink we must test the scratch, sunshine, UV, and also the print wave. Everything we must be sure is good after test. So we not suggest you to buy the ink from the market, because the ink, maybe the quality is good, but it's not suitable for this head or for this model, the printer. So now, if you take the ink from the Focus, here is the suit you will get. The black UV ink, cyan UV ink, magenta UV ink, yellow, white. For the white ink, once you get the white ink, you must shaking it, opposite shaking, to be sure the titanium formula inside is equal, because the ink for long time delivery, the ink will be settling. So once you get the ink, you just shaking for each, especially for the white ink. Then the varnish. And the clean solution. and the metal coating liquid, and the non-metal coating liquid. So this is all the ink suit you may get from Focus. The ink, black, cyan, magenta, yellow, white, coloring solution, varnish, coating for glass, for ceramic, and a coating for metal. So the ink is really very important. And also there are different kind of ink, like soft ink, hard ink. So please be sure you print the material to put the correct ink on your machine. The hard UV ink is used for print on the hard material, such as metal, ceramic, glass, acrylic. So you need to load the hard UV ink. And if you want to print on the soft material, such as leather, film, so you need to put the soft UV ink. So this is for the ink. And also for the coating. The non-metal coating is used for apply on the surface of the material without metal, such as glass, ceramic, acrylic, like this. And the metal coating is used for apply on the surface of the metal, like aluminum. Also the flash steel, or for metal using. So this is the coating liquid. And all the ink, after you take it out, you must be sure the ink must keep the stay without sunshine, without high temperature, and also with good humidity. The best environment of the temperature is between 26 to 28 degree, and humidity is 50%, and also without sunshine, without strong light, to keep good staunch. Okay, so this is all the spare parts and ink you will get from the manufacturer of Focus. And also some spare parts is optional purchase, like RIP software, print head, and ink. So please check and learn the function for each spare parts, also the name for each spare parts. It will help you to do a good machine installation job later. Thank you.